In this video we gonna see how to make carom water for babies. Let's see the benefits of carom seeds. It promotes the release of gastric acid, which can enhance appetite. It provides relief from colic and gas in babies. Carom also provides relief from cough and cold in infants. Improves digestion. Preparation method. In a pan, add 200 milliliters of water and let it boil. Add a spoon of carom seeds to the boiling water. Boil for 8 minutes in a medium flame. Strain the carom water using filter. Carom water is ready to drink. Let's see about dosage. For 8 to 18 months of babies, begin with a maximum of half a teaspoon of carom water. Slowly, you can increase the measure to 1 to 2 milliliters of carom water. After 18 months, increase the measure to 3 to 5 milliliters. Adults can take 30 to 50 milliliters. Tips time. It is recommended to take once or twice a week. For above 1-year babies, jaggery can be added for sweetness. It provides better results if carom water is taken after meals. Always use freshly prepared carom water. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.